I take two English girls to our farm, walking through the rice field and around. Yeah. We go over here. Let's see our baby cow. There he is. About almost 2 weeks now.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, very young. Oh yeah, tiny.
Yeah, almost like 11, 12 there. And Chang. So this is our mango tree, nah?
Okay.
Hello, Yipeng. So the mother very protective, so we cannot go very close.
Yeah.
But you see the phone and they will be a bit mad.
Don't want to upset her.
Yeah. Yeah. There's the baby one.
Oh.
ไอตัวน้อยวิ่งหนีละจะไม่เกี่ยวข้าวดิมันแกล้งไง He like to teasing her that I'm gonna go eat your rice. You cannot.
So nice. So quiet. Yeah.
It's very quiet here.
So
You hear the
close to
bird.
Chiang Mai, but just so peaceful.
Yeah. On around with the rice field and mango tree.
Kind of got the best of both worlds. Close to a city, but far enough away to have the peace.
Yeah.
It's nice. Yeah, you never know it was so close. No.
It's our little secret spot.
Yeah. Definitely a little secret there.
Let's see how we harvest the rice. Come here. That's how we harvest the rice. See? That she cut. And with the music on, มีเพลงฟังด้วย You can. Okay. So she said, invite you. You wanna try? Yeah, she can teach you. Come on, let's go. ปามือลองสักคำ She will show you. เอาบอกทำมาดูก่อนเดี๋ยวเคี้ยวบัดมือ เดี๋ยวเคี้ยวบัดมือ Be careful นะ The side quite sharp. Yeah, Ducky gonna be mama. ไม่อย่างมือเปล่าแล้วเนาะไม่อย่างคำเดียวเอ้ยมือ Are you left or right คนซ้ายคนถนัดซ้าย You on the you left Yeah right hand
Left-handed.
Okay Yeah Okay Helen turn Yeah that look good
What do I have to do?
เกี่ยวได้นะข้าวเจ้าสองนั่นนะที่ไปปลูกที่แล้ว
เดี๋ยวพี่จะถ่ายรูปให้แขกงอที่มาปลูกมาดูยังไม่ได้ถ่าย
Helen's a lefty too.
เนี่ยยืดมือซ้ายกันหมดเลยโอเคย่า be careful นะเอเลน่าเป็นโลวะอันนี้จะเป็นโลวะมา your hand นะ
ระวังบาดมือนะ
What do you do with it? Leave it to the professionals. Now that once you've done it, what do you do? Just
So
sit and do.
no
the rice off.
to separate them
Yeah.
and nowadays they have a machine to put in to separate the rice
okay.
from the stem but we still doing the old
By
the old
hand.
day by hand which is we make a big wrap and
Yeah.
use a bamboo stick tie them big wrap and hit them on the
beat it.
ground yeah
So do you leave
Beat
it to dry for a couple of days, or would you just do it now?
so now we're gonna dry them for a couple of days
Couple of days.
yeah
sticky rice
yeah this is sticky rice
Sticky rice.
yeah
Yummy.
good job